have you been wanting to do this in Revit and you have no idea how to do it? Stay tuned as I take you through simple tips on how to change or forge a dimension in Revit. Now, as you can see, we are using AutoCAD, and it's very easy to change a dimension or to forge a dimension. This is AutoCAD. Now let's move into Revit and then see how we will be able to change or forge a dimension to suit our taste. Now, if you start to change anything or forge any dimension, the system simply won't allow it. So how to fix this? Let's get into it. First, what you do is right click or double click on the text you would want to change. And then you come down to the replace by text. Right click on the blank space. Move to insert. From the pop-up menu, come down and then choose US. Now you can put in any dimension that you want. And when you are done, just hit apply and OK. And voila! This is how to change or forge any dimension in Revit to suit your working drawing taste. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Till we meet again, family. Adios.